Autumn drifts through Oslo like a quiet dream. The air is cool and smells of rain and fallen leaves. Akershus Castle stands still watching the city breathe. Centuries whisper through its stone walls. Every leaf that falls tells a story of time. People pass by unaware of the memories around them. The wind carries songs of the past. The fjord shimmers under soft gray light, and for a moment everything feels slow, peaceful, alive, golden. This is not just a season, it is a feeling, the world wrapped in warmth. Before the cold returns, you stop, you look, and you realize this silence is beautiful. The castle waits above the city, calm and proud. Autumn paints its shadows in gold and amber. Footsteps echo through the old gates. Where history meets the wind, you feel the weight of stories untold, battles lost, loves remembered, laughter fading into the mist. Oslo below glows softly. The city feels smaller, gentler. Time slows as the leaves fall. The sky fades to silver, and your heart feels full, because beauty like this does not last. And that is what makes it real. Evening falls on the castle walls, the last light of autumn touches the stones, soon the snow will come and cover every trace, but now the world glows in quiet fire, footsteps in the leaves, breath in the air, heart beating with the city below. Every moment feels like a farewell, soft and kind. Oslo whispers through the wind, stay a little longer before winter takes it all. The water glimmers, the sky sighs, and for one last time, autumn holds your soul. The city quiets as the evening settles over the fjord. Akershus stands bathed in fading gold, leaves drift like slow memories through the air. You breathe in the last warmth of the season, knowing it will never return quite the same way again. Autumn in Oslo is not just seen, it is felt, in the stillness of the stones, in the echo of footsteps through time, in the soft light that says goodbye without a word. And as the wind carries the final leaf away, you understand that beauty is never meant to stay, it only visits long enough to remind you how alive you really are.